today actually what I'm going to be showing you guys is actually how to do some research into investing in the right coins, okay? Because remember, that's what I love about this app, about this platform, Bitclout. It's literally the new age stock market. You can like invest in people and see what their coin's gonna do. So again, guys, I'm gonna show you guys exactly a way that I go about researching who to invest in. It's pretty neat.
Just different.
Yeah, you already know what it is. Recession proof, baby. I keep a couple in the bag, homie, I ain't gotta brag. Even when the hater try to doubt me, I just got another contract. Watch the dollars follow back. Let me tell you one thing about me. Said I like my money pure.
Hey, what's going on? It's Dr. Travis Davis back here again with the pure money information when it comes to Bitclout, guys. Now, again, I want to make a disclaimer. I'm not saying Bitclout is 100% legit yet, but I am telling you it is something that you should look to become an early adapter to, because hey, it could take off and you could be in the right place at the right time. Now, today, actually, what I'm going to be showing you guys is actually how to do some research into investing in the right coins, okay? Because remember, that's what I love about this app, about this platform, Bitclout. It's literally the new age stock market. You can like invest in people and see what their coin's gonna do. So again, guys, I'm gonna show you guys exactly a way that I go about researching who to invest in. It's pretty neat. So all I do is I whip out my nifty cell phone and I go to the app called Twitter. Now, if you guys take a look up here at Twitter, I've put in Bitclout right here with the hashtag, and then I went to the latest. All right. Now, what this is doing, people want to get verified on Bitclout and get their blue check. So they're going over to Twitter and they're tweeting to Bitclout, hey, verify my account, right? So they can get that blue mark. And if you scroll through here and you notice maybe there's a potential blue check mark on Twitter for a famous person who's trying to get their Bitclout account locked in, now all of a sudden you can invest in them now, because you can see, okay, here you go. So Riley Johnson may be a good person to follow. I'm not sure if he has his account yet, but we'll take a look at it. Reilly. So let's actually go take a look right now. All right, we're going to go to home, and then Reill. All right, Riley Johnson. I believe that's who it was. Let's take a double check. Riley Johnson, disabled. Okay, seems the right person. Let's take a look at his actual Twitter. He has over 25,000 followers. I'm going to invest in Riley. First thing I'm going to do is follow him. All right, then I'm going to buy some of his coin. Put $5 into Riley. Alright. I'm doing all of this from my cell phone. I already had Bitclout in my wallet. I'm investing $5 into my man Riley right there. Alright, and as you can see, now I have $5 of Riley's coin. I can go to my, I don't want to go click on my wallet while this is up, because I don't want to give you guys my key or anything, but I now have $5 invested into Riley's coin. So now essentially, as Riley keeps talking on Twitter and whatever he does to pump his coin up, hopefully it'll shoot up from the current price of, I believe it was at $65, maybe it'll get up into the hundreds, if not the thousands of dollars. So that is how simple Bitclout is. Of course, again, this is a great platform that you can make smart investments into. I showed you guys a quick way that you could do some research and find the right smart investments to play. And don't forget, recession-proof and pure money coins are definitely some smart investments. If you enjoyed what you heard right here, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, share this with somebody else, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget, get you some of those coins of recession-proof and pure money.
Recession-proof, baby. I keep a couple in the bag, homie, I ain't gotta brag. Even when the hater try to doubt me, I just got another contract. Watch the dollars follow back.